A Calgary mother was sentenced today for her part in the death of her daughter. 16-month-old Summer Hope died after she ingested her father's methadone, a drug to help with his addiction. Today, a judge sentenced Lisa Guerin to 2.5 years in prison, but she'll only have to serve a fraction of that time. Kevin Rich explains.
30-year-old Lisa Guerin will spend at least a few more months behind bars for the part she played in the death of her daughter, Summer Hope. The prosecutors in the case were asking for a 3 to 4 year sentence. Guerin's lawyer argued that the Calgary mom should be released. In the end, Justice Earl Wilson gave her double credit for the 12 months she has spent in custody, which means she will serve up to 6 more months in jail. Prosecutor Ken McCaffrey is leaving the door open for an appeal.
The sentence would in effect be a penitentiary term, but for the time served. So with that, it's a mixed message to us today. We'll obviously have to think hard and review the judge's decision before going any further.
Back in early March, Lisa Guerin and her husband Jonathan Hope were convicted of failing to provide the necessities of life for their daughter. 16-month-old Summer Hope died exactly 4 years ago today after drinking her father's prescribed methadone. Guerin knew Summer had ingested the drug, but left her with her father so she could go to work as a stripper in Rocky Mountain House. Justice Wilson told the court, at 16 months, Summer Hope could only look to her mom and dad for safety. But he also told the court her mother seemed more concerned about what would be enjoyed in Rocky Mountain House. Defense lawyer Adriano Iavanelli had argued that Guerin did not deserve to spend more time behind bars than the time she had already spent in custody. Still, he is satisfied with the sentence and the comments from Justice Wilson.
Whenever you have a death of a child, of course there's going to be some serious comments made by the sentencing judge, and rightly so. And we expected that. At the end of the day, my client's actions or lack of actions contributed to the death of her child.
Justice Wilson also told the court he still finds it difficult to understand why Guerin made no phone calls, no 911 call, no trip to a pharmacy, no offer to drive Summer to a hospital. Kevin Rich, CTV News, Calgary.
Summer's father, Jonathan, has yet to be sentenced. That's been delayed because of legal wrangling and a psychiatric assessment.